SDA Member Awards is exclusive to SDA members in SA, NT and Broken Hill. It's a fully digital benefits package and can be accessed from your phone, computer or tablet anytime and anywhere. SDA members can save hundreds of dollars on popular brands and services by buying discounted e-gift cards, appliances, travel experiences and packages, restaurant vouchers and more. It's all part of our commitment to making sure you get the most out of your SDA membership. How do I register? To register, visit sda.ewallet.com.au/auth/register and register using the same email address you have registered with the SDA. Once you've registered, you'll receive an email from SDA Member Awards confirming your registration. Follow the link in this email to add your details and create your profile. How do I pay for things? You can make purchases using your credit or debit card, or by depositing money from your bank account into your e-wallet. Adding your credit card. Go to your e-wallet and click on Add Payment Methods to add in your card. Your card details will remain secure. Your card will need to be verified before you can use it, and you must enter your CCV number with each purchase. Adding money to your e-wallet. Go to your e-wallet and then click on Add Cash. Follow the instructions to deposit money from your internet banking to your e-wallet account. Your funds will automatically appear in your e-wallet within 3 business days. Start saving. Once you've added in your payment methods, head to the marketplace to start exploring all the discounts available to you. Once you're ready to buy, click on the cart to check out and select how you want to pay. Once you've made a purchase, you'll be sent a confirmation email with your purchases. If you've bought an e-gift card or voucher, your digital gift card or voucher will be stored in your e-wallet under My e-Purchases. To redeem it, simply show the barcode on your phone or print out the confirmation email. Start saving today. Visit sda.ewallet.com.au/auth/register to set up your account.